All right, so you want to include the title description in your description. So whatever the title is, make sure you add it into the description, makes it more searchable. Then you can go online and look up trending hashtags, and then you can copy and paste them all in here. This makes your video more findable. Um, Make sure you set it to public, obviously. No, it's not made for kids, because then you don't have to jump through a bunch of hoops. Then when you scroll down, get to tags. Now this is where you can type in like search parameters, and you can have up to 500 characters. So I use things like, what is surf skating, how to surf skate, how to level up with skating, just any kind of search parameters that are around whatever topic you're putting up. So if it's poetry, it's like how to write, how to be a writer, what does it take to be a writer, like questions like this. When I was doing this, obviously, you can see I got a bit caught up on what to write. Take your time with the tags too, like don't try to hurry through it. Just make sure you get as many in there as you can. Like really try to fill up those 500 characters. Just makes it more findable, a bit more tailor-made to what people are actually looking at. Sort of stays in the thread with that. So yeah, even adding things in like with self-development or anything that's sort of even outside of what you're doing or what the topic is, but still relate to it, if that makes sense. Like with skating, obviously getting scared is one of the things. So it's like, okay, what is fear? How to overcome fear? How to level up as a human? And then make sure you select the right category to put it in. So obviously if skating is in sports, if it's in poetry, it'd be in like people and blogs. And I turn off the comments because people only seem to write negative shit. Hope that helps.